I'm doing here. If you're new to my channel, I create content around cooking, cleaning and organization. So today's video is a cook with me video, and I am going to be showing you how to make sweet potato fries, roasted chicken and mixed veggies. Alright, so I'm gonna take you through the steps of each and every food item I am going to be cooking today. I hope you follow through, but I am going to list the ingredients and the method, that is the entire recipe, down in the description box. So before you ask me for the recipe, please make sure you check the description box for a detailed recipe. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. You're gonna love it here. You will love the content here, I hope. Subscribe, share this content with your friends if you find it interesting. Also give me a thumbs up. It helps to reach my content to more and more people, and that way I'm going to grow my community. Alright, so also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the recipes and the entire video. Let me know. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get cooking. So I am going to be starting with preparing the chicken marinade, because I want to roast it with some spices and make it like really yummy. Prepare some sauces for that. Anyway, so I want to start with the chicken because it's the one that's gonna take the longest time to cook, and I'll be roasting it in the oven, so I need to get that going. Then I'm going to be cutting up the sweet potato to make the fries. Then lastly, I'm going to be preparing the vegetables. Alright, so I'm going to take you through the spices I'm going to use for the chicken marinade, and you're gonna see how I'm going to do it. So let's get to marinating.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
So guys, I've put the chicken in to bake, and I have set it for 40 minutes, both ovens on, that is the bottom one and the top one, at 180 degrees. So I'm going to leave that to bake kinda, and then I'm going to prepare the sauces and show you. So as you've seen, I've cut up everything that needs to be cooked, like the sweet potato fries and the vegetables, but I want to show you how to marinate the sweet potato fries because I'm not going to be baking them just plain. I want to make them fancy and yummy and just sweet, and I have been using this recipe for quite some time now and it's been the bomb. I rarely take sweet potatoes, but when I do, I just take sweet potato fries. So guys, make sure you check the description box for all the ingredients I am going to be using today, including those of the baked chicken, those of the sweet potato fries, and the veggies. Alright, so I want to spice up the sweet potato fries, pop them in the oven as well to be baking, and then we're gonna get started on the vegetables. But before that, I wanted to show you what I am going to add to the chicken sauce that I'm going to make and how I'm going to do it. So yeah, let's make some sauce. Is the first one, I'm going to be using tomato ketchup. I have another one, so if this is not enough, I'm going to get the new one. I'm also going to be using some honey, yeah, for that sweet, you know, taste. I'm a sweet tooth, so you must expect honey in my sauces. I'm also going to be using choma sauce. I love this one from Peptal, and I'm all about supporting our brand, so yeah, using choma sauce. That is the barbecue sauce we have here in Kenya. And also going to add a little bit of the mushroom dark soy sauce. I already added this to the marinade earlier, but I'm going to add it for that, for just that, you know, for that tangy taste, and also as a good, you know, enhancer of color. So yeah, so I'm going to be using a tablespoon of each of these sauces. That is the soy sauce, the barbecue sauce, the honey, and the ketchup. Mix those up, and then I'm going to baste those on the chicken once it's ready. So just follow through. I hope you pick the steps.
pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. Apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track.
So guys, there is my food. So as you've seen, I've made some sweet potato fries, some mixed vegetables, and roasted chicken. So yeah, that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about the recipe. And when you try the recipe, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Wangui_Gathogo_. Until next time guys, bye.